Lord, it was you created the heavens. Lord, it was your hands put the stars in their place. Lord, it is your voice that commands the morning, even oceans and their waves will bow at your feet. Lord, who am I compared to your glory?